This is Nokia C31, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file using this device. So to begin with, make sure that the Google Drive app is installed on your phone. Usually it comes with the system and comes pre-installed respectively. So let me check if this is true in my case. Yeah, unfortunately it is not, so you can very simply get it for free and download the app from Play Store. So that is exactly what I'm going to do now. So download the Drive app. Once you're ready to launch it, just open it. And here, let me quickly remove the previous documents that I have. Log into your Google account if you haven't already, then tap on the plus sign, go for the scan option, grant the camera permission to Google Drive, and then just take a good photo of the document that you wanted to take a scan of. Then check the result that you have gotten. If you can, if you want, you can crop the image. For example, as you can see, it has been automatically cropped incorrectly, so I'm going to fix that real quick. The app is lagging like I don't know what, but it doesn't allow me to change the alignment for some reason, but okay, finally. I'll make sure that the whole document will be in the frame. Alrighty. Now we can just go ahead and save it. You can rename the file if you want to, and change the email address and folder drive that this document will be saved to as well. Now we will simply need to wait for it to get uploaded to our Google Drive, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.